Let's find out if I can still do this. Guys, shalom. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zyron. Today, I want to talk to you guys about my first weekend here moving to Utah. It didn't end up being in Utah. My roommate, Vincent, invited myself and a bunch of his friends out of state to spend a weekend out in a cabin. It's not as soft as I thought. This vlog is going to be taking place in Idaho. Hi, Chris. What's up? So I didn't get to spend a lot of time with everybody that night because it was really late. We all wanted to get some sleep, but it was nice to see everyone and finally put a face to the names that I've heard consistently for the past about a year. I don't know how Vincent and I just keep putting ourselves in these kind of situations, even when we're not trying to, but let's just say it didn't take very long for us to realize.
We got locked out of our cabin room.
No, we did. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, we were locked out in the bedroom.
So I headed out to the kitchen and started making breakfast. After a while, Vincent noticed that I needed help, so he joined in. And as soon as we finished, we had the last couple show up who was supposed to come the night before.
What's up, Max?
Let's go.
How we doing, guys? Do I remember your name?
Yeah.
I'll have to look at your Instagram first.
For breakfast, we got chilaquiles and huevos. So I'm trying to cater to everybody. I made it spicy and I made it non-spicy. And then Vincent was kind of in charge of the eggs, so he put salt and pepper, eggs, milk. I've never done that before, but it looks like everyone's used to it with fluffy eggs, so this will be my first time trying it.
Do you know which ones are spicy and not spicy?
The one that's redder.
That's the gooder.
That's the gooder one. Now level with me here. When I heard Alyssa ask me which one was spicy, I just thought I knew it. They're just like my white friends in California. They never want to eat spicy food. But to later realize that every single person in that table only ate the spicy chilaquiles, they went for seconds. I was impressed. That's what really surprised me and was completely new to me. You could kind of see it. There's water coming down from all the icicles from last night. So it kind of sounds like it's raining, but it's not. So Max, my boy, decided to bring one of the tripods that he knows I've been shopping for quite some time to the cabin for me to try out myself.
This takes some practice. Nice.
Can you set it down on the table?
Yeah.
Dude, thanks bro, appreciate it.
Got you, man.
Oh, ooh, okay. Do you want it like that?
Oh, there you go.
How do we look? We look cute?
That's nice.
All right, so I'm gonna be using this tripod from here on out. So thank you, Max. I appreciate it. So this is gonna be used later. I don't want to use it. I kind of want to keep this. We are currently headed to Yellowstone. Unfortunately, I think parts of it is still closed. So I don't know how far deep we're gonna go in, but we're all headed now. I think I'm the last one to get in the car. All right, so we're all headed there now. Max and his lady are kind enough to be driving.
That's intense.
Us three.
Oh my gosh, you took off.
In the air.
What?
Holy frick.
What? That's so cool.
So the good news is I can finally say I've been, excuse me. I can finally say I've been to Yellowstone. Bad news is the national park was practically closed because COVID. So the entire day that we were there just felt like an adult field trip where we just looked at a bunch of rocks and memorabilia for Yellowstone.
This is like some ASMR stuff. Are you enjoying the colors? You hear that? It's very soothing.
Now, because Vincent decided to invite us to this trip, he also took us to dinner, which I still appreciate because he really didn't have to do that, but he did. Thank you for the bison burger. I think that's what I got. Bison burger? I think that's what I got. It was dope. But either way, we headed back to the cabin as soon as we were done eating. So we're down on the street as it's not windy outside anymore, so we're gonna jump back out. I just put on a few layers, so this should work out. So we're gonna be... Actually, I'm not doing anything. The guys wanted to fly their drones, so here's a little bit of footage. But anyways, that's my first weekend out here in Utah, even though technically I spent it in Idaho. I'm hoping to post more real soon as well. I currently have another video ready for next week. So if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. I know this is also a different style. Next week's video isn't going to be like this. I just wanted to try something new. But I've already taken too much of your time. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you when I see you.